What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Michel Dilmanian, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we share 3 lessons from an eventful 2025 that we plan to take into the rest of the year. An eventful 2025 so far has thrown up some market anomalies. Yields on 30-year U.S. Treasuries are rising, while yields on 2-year Treasuries fall. And though trade uncertainty hit an all-time high, that didn't translate into sustained market volatility. As summer ends, here are 3 lessons from 2025 so far. Immutable economic laws prevent the world from changing quickly, but sentiment can swing fast. These swings can unlock near-term opportunities. One example: keeping U.S. debt sustainable requires steady foreign investment. That's an immutable law that we believed would prevent the maximal tariffs proposed on April 2nd from staying there. So we reverted to being risk-on before market sentiment improved. Betting on these kinds of reversals has been one of 2025's best-performing tactical strategies. We think megaforces, like AI, will be key drivers of returns, but capturing them requires constant tracking of how they are evolving and what markets have priced in. This long-term uncertainty demands adaptability to incoming information. Think, for example, how the emergence of China's seemingly more efficient DeepSeek AI model sparked a tech equity slide and a reassessment of the U.S. tech investment case. Reliable diversifiers are scarcer now. Investors can no longer rely on longer-term U.S. Treasuries to offer protection during equity sell-offs. The unusual rise in 30-year U.S. Treasury yields, alongside a fall in 2-year yields, reflects mounting fiscal concerns. That reinforces our preference for shorter-term Treasuries. We like gold as a diversifier, as well as Bitcoin, hedge fund strategies, and private assets. Here's our market take. An eventful year offers lessons for the rest of 2025. The world can't change overnight, but sentiment can. Megaforces need constant tracking to capture returns, and investors must seek new sources of resilience as diversifiers grow scarce. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com